Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Section Wizard tutorial. This video will demonstrate how to use the Section Wizard to complete Step 3, Expenditures and Contributions Made. The Section Wizard feature is available for Step 2, Contributions and Loans Received, and Step 3, Expenditures and Contributions Made. The Section Wizard helps you determine which forms you must complete in these sections. Select the Section Wizard link under Step 3, and you'll be prompted to answer 3 questions based on your committee's campaign finance activity during the reporting period. Question 1. Did the committee have any expenditures or make any contributions for this reporting period? For this tutorial, we will answer yes. Question 2. Did the committee use any funds this period for a payment of a previously incurred expenditure? If, in a previous reporting period, you made a promise to pay for a good or service, but you actually paid the expense during this reporting period, you will answer yes. For this tutorial, we will answer no. Question 3. Did the committee make any miscellaneous disbursement not covered elsewhere on this report? A miscellaneous disbursement is any money leaving the committee that is not a contribution or expenditure. For example, if you returned a contribution to the original contributor, you would report the returned contribution as a miscellaneous disbursement. For this tutorial, we will answer no. Based on your responses, the Section Wizard will take you through any mandatory or supplemental forms you may need to complete, starting with the Expenditures Made form. Enter your information into any relevant fields, or if no data exists, check the None this period box. Then click Next to proceed. You will then be prompted to respond to the Loans Made or Payments or Credits on Loans form, the Supplemental Expenditures to Independent Contractors form, the Contributions Made form, and the Supplemental Expenditures Made to Support or Oppose a Candidate or Ballot Measure form. When you are finished entering your information for expenditures or contributions made, you'll be taken back to the report menu. As you can see, we have completed all required sections for Step 3 using the Section Wizard. This concludes our Section Wizard tutorial. You can find links and other helpful resources in the description of this video. Be sure to subscribe and receive notifications when new videos become available. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.